more sports update, medal after medal. This is what Filipino athletes garnered from international tournaments in gymnastics and wushu events this week. Here's Mia Layagin for sports news.
Moving on to sports news, another Filipino pride milestone as the Philippine gymnastics team secures 8 medals from the recently concluded Pacific Rim Championships 2024 in Cali, Colombia.
With 3 gold, 3 silver, and 2 bronze medals, representatives of the Philippines in gymnastics shine in their respective events, reflecting their hard work and efforts during the competition. Carl Jarrell Eldro Yulo took home 5 of the 8 medals, with gold medals in floor exercise and vault event, and silver medals in individual all-around, steel rings, and pommel horse events. Carl is the younger brother of Filipino Olympian and gymnast Carlos Yulo. Meanwhile, in vault events, John Ivan Cruz took home gold, while Juancho Miguel Besana and Ann Villalucia Marie Manzano sealed bronze medals. Aside from the swing in gymnastics, the Filipino wushu athletes also won gold and bronze medals during the 2024 International Wushu Invitational Tournament in Jiangsu, China. Sander Alipio bagged gold medal against Hong Kong competitor in 60kg men's sanda, while Carlos Bailon Jr. won bronze in 56kg men's sanda match versus Chinese athlete.
And that's the latest sports news. This has been Mia Layagin. Back to you, Alvin and Krisa.